Hey guys, Aaron Heiser, Maker's Leather Supply, and it's finally project box time again. All right, we haven't had a project box since like November. We went through the holidays, we went through the transition where I sold the business and everything, and finally we can do it again. Anyway, so we have come up with a new shave kit, okay? And forgive this one, it's a little bit of a rough draft, but it will definitely be a finalized pattern by the time it's shipped out as a project box. But this one is a good bit larger than our original one. It's going to have two different handle configurations. This is one, and that would be more for a male shave kit. And then there will be another one for more of a lady's makeup bag type thing, right? I did fill this one with bubbles because we took pictures of it just now. We will not be sending out material for the liner with the project box, but I will show you how to build a liner to complete with a zippered pocket in the lid. That's really handy. But anyway, in the project box, you'll get one completely clicked out and skived and ready to go. All the pieces you need and everything like that. But then you'll also get the template, the blue acrylic template to make as many more of them as you like. So hop on the website and go ahead and get yours. They should be shipping. Today's the 14th. I'm hoping to have them shipping by the first week of March. And this one's very reasonably priced at $74.95. So go get one. Have a great day.